We are programming the SensaMist S1000 Diffuser for 24-hour operation. To do that, first you want to set the current day and current time. So press the Set button, and you'll see the hours start blinking. You use the up and down arrows to adjust the hours. So we're going to do 8 a.m. Press Set again, and it advances to the minutes. Use the up and down arrows to adjust the minutes. Now we have 8 a.m. Press Set again, and you're going to want to pick the current day of the week. So we're going to do Tuesday, so use the up and down arrows to adjust the days of the week. So now we have Tuesday at 8 a.m. Press Set again, and the current day and current time is set. Next, we're going to program the event on and event off for a 24-hour operation. So press the Mode button, and we have the event on period. Press Set to have the hour start blinking. For 24-hour operation, you're always going to want to do 0-100 hours. So we start with 0, press Set, the minutes start blinking, use the up and down arrows to adjust the minutes, press Set again, and you're going to want Monday through Sunday there at the top for 24/7 operation. So use the up and down arrows to adjust until you see Monday through Sunday, as we see here. Press Mode again, and we have the event off period, or when it will stop spraying. For a 24-hour operation, you're always going to want to do 23:59. So use the up and down arrows to adjust the hours, press Set, use the up and down arrows to adjust the minutes. So here we have 23:59. Press Set again, and you don't have to do the days of the week again because that was already programmed during the event on. Press Mode again, and you'll have the length of spray. We'll use the up and down arrows to adjust the length of spray. For a more intense fragrance, you're going to want a longer length of spray. This is in seconds. For a less intense fragrance, you're going to want a shorter length of spray. So we're going to do 10 seconds. Press Mode, and we come to the interval between sprays, or seconds between sprays. For a more intense fragrance, you're going to want a shorter length between sprays, and for a less intense fragrance, you're going to want a longer length between sprays. So we're going to do 120 seconds. Press Mode, and you come to Event 2. Mode through Event 2, Event 3, Event 4, and again until you're back at your home screen showing the current day and current time. So for 24-hour operation, you're going to want to program it from 0-100 hours to 23:59, Monday through Sunday, and this is the 24-hour operation for the S1000.